How do you take something that people love and make it better? We're Tripped, and we've been taking the stress out of packing since 2017. Introducing our largest compression cube set. It's just what you're looking for to fill your big checked suitcase on your upcoming 2-week or cold weather trip. Finally, no more sacrificing your favorite items on longer trips. Use the extra large cubes to pack down large items like sweaters, jackets, or jeans. Then keep days of your trip separated, like evening events in one and day activities in another. Use the double zipper system to compress everything down, packing less of your suitcase with air and more with your clothes. These cubes are so effective, don't forget to check the weight, as you'll be able to bring more with you than you ever have before. Back home, just throw these cubes on a cold hand wash cycle, lay them out to dry, and keep them handy for your next adventure. We can't ensure your flight will be on time, but packing? Now that's the easy part.